Hello, good evening to all of you. Today we are going to finish the last week we had done until like question number 7, right? So today we are going to finish this paper, Terengganu paper 2. Finish this one, then I'll off because tomorrow is your BM listening. So some of you might need to prepare for your BM listening. So I'll try to do it as soon as possible lah. Try to finish in 1 hour lah. And then I will do one more extra class for you on your paper will be on 14, right? 14, so I will do it on 13 because 13 is your admaths paper, right? Admaths paper after admaths, then 14. Let me double check. Timetable for SPM. SPM 2024。Okay, let me plan for a little bit for you. Okay. Amali done already this one. Okay. How to cross this one? Wait. I cannot off this one. Never mind, leave it. 13 it is admaths, 13 it is admaths. 14 it is holiday. So we do it on 14, okay? 14, 14 because of the 15 it is your physics paper. 15, I thought it is 14. No, 15, 15 is your admaths paper. So we do it on. I try to do it on 13 and 14, right? 13 and 14, 2 days, right? I mean next Monday and Tuesday, right? I'll do revision with you again, okay? All right, leave it here. So we back to the question number 8. All right, diagram 8.1 shows a ray diagram of the formation image when the object it is in front of the mirror C. C is the center of the curvature of the mirror. Okay, this is a C, this is a F. So name the light phenomena occur. So the light come into here, from here to here. What is this called? So this one is called reflection of wave. So this one is called reflection of wave. Reflection of light. I'm sorry. So the next one, they ask you, calculate the focal length of the mirror. Focal length. So what's the formula? The formula is 1 over F is equals to 1 over V plus 1 over U. One F is equals to 1 over V plus 1 over U. Okay? Focal length, I don't know. Alright? Focal length, I don't know. Now, 1 over V is image, right? Image distance. Alright. Image it is here. Wait. Image it is. Oh, okay. This one no need to use this formula. No need. Okay. Now, F is equals to half of the C. This is center. Center is 2R, 2F. This is F. Here it is F. Here it is 2F. So, now here it is 20, right? So, here will be 10. Okay, so how to do it? So they don't give any information, so you no need. You just put it as C is equals to 2F. So C is equals to 20 cm, so is equals to 2F. They use capital letter of F, so I follow, right? So F will be 10 cm. Now remember, when you got, I want you to memorize this. Now you always remember. Now this is lens. Focal length, it is positive. Focal length, it is positive. Now convex. Now how about concave lens? Concave lens. F, it is negative. Focal length, it is negative. So how about mirror? The mirror will be terbalik. So here, now this is convex mirror. What am I doing? Convex mirror, the focal length will be negative. Okay. Now here, how about the concave lens? A concave mirror. The focal length will be positive. Now this one, it is a convex mirror. This is mirror. You can see from here. Now this one telling you it is a mirror. If it is lens, you will don't have this shade. It will not shading there. Okay, you need to know. And then the question also telling you lah. So now you know this one is negative. So your F have to be negative, right? So C is equal to negative 20. So you put negative 20. F will be negative 10 cm. Okay. Now this is what you have. We try to have a look into the answer. Terengganu schema 2. Oh, they don't put negative, huh? Actually, you have to put negative, huh? Because of it is convex mirror, right? Convex mirror, negative. But this one, the answer don't have negative. Okay. Now next one. I would like you to put a negative in. Now, a shopkeeper planned to see a mirror at a location Y to help him to monitor the safety of his shop in diagram 8.2. Now, state the characteristic of the following aspect of the installation of the mirror in order to help to improve the safety of the shop. So type of the mirror. Type of the mirror. Normally we are going to use convex mirror. Right? So why are you using convex mirror? Convex mirror can have a wider range of view. So the angle will be wider. You can see more angle. So position must be high to avoid blockage. So that it is not blocked easily. Diameter of the mirror must be big. Why? Reflect more light. It can reflect more light. Okay, so you see, type of the mirror, it is convex mirror. So produce an upright image. Produce the wider field of view. Okay, same meaning. All right, you got one, then enough. Okay, so produce upright image. Why you are saying that this one produce upright image? Now I need to explain this one. Produce upright image. Now because of this is the convex mirror. So no matter where are you, let's say my object it is from here. Now come to here, then it will come to here, and then this one go through the F, and then this one go through the C. So the image always upright. Image always upright. Unlike concave mirror. If F to F, so if your object is more than 2F, alright, so come to here, then the reflection of light will come to here. Go through the F, go through the F, and then another one go through this F again, and then go to here. So the image form will be diminished and image will be inverted. Mean if a thief or any customer it is coming into your shop, you'll see him terbalik. So scary or not? Very scary. So you are not going to use the concave mirror. So you always use the convex mirror. But the problem is this one, it is diminished, very small. Okay? But you should not write because of it is diminished. You don't want it your customer to look small. But anyhow, you have to choose this one. So you don't want it to be inverted. You want it to be upright. That's why you are using this. Right? You are using a convex mirror. Okay. Next one, number 2, it is the position. Position, it is high place, so no obstacle view. All right, so it will not block. Same meaning, obstacle or the blockage will be the same. Right, and then diameter is big, and then diameter big so that it can reflect more light. So this one wider field of view also can. Right, so if you put it can reflect more light, also can, no problem one. Okay, so this question, just this one just this one. The problem is this one is you don't have the answer, don't have negative, but I want you to put in the negative. All right, so if they said calculate the focal length of the convex mirror, they already said convex mirror, so you no need to put negative, also can. But this one don't have, they don't. All right, so you have to put in the negative. Is that okay? All right, so we are going to do the question number 9. Question number 9, diagram 9.1, 9.2 shows the wooden block with the weight W is equal to 80 Newton placed on the two identical inclined plane but different angle of inclination. So 45 and 30. So this one, it is 45, this one is 30. So you must know how to draw the normal line. This one, it is normal. This one is normal. Okay, and then what is this angle? This angle, it is same as this angle. So this angle will be 45 degree. Okay, this angle will be 45. How about this angle? This angle will be 30 degree. All right, this is the information that we have. Now, the frictional force FR is 40. This is 40, same. All right, same frictional force acting on the block of the wood on the both inclined planes is 40. The component force Wx on the inclined plane exists from the resolution of force process. So what is mean by resolution of force? Okay, resolution of force is you got one force here. Now you are going to break into two forces. One is come to here, one is come to here. Right? One is come to here, one is come to here. Okay? Now what is mean by resolution of force? So resolution is resolving the force into two components. Right? One it is X, one it is Y. So this is X, this is Y. Right? Resolving of the break the force. Right? You don't write break the force. You say resolving the force into two components. All right. So weight component parallel to the inclined plane WX. They ask you to calculate. Okay. So now still remember how to do it. So this one you come to here. You bring at the this is at the weight. You bring to here. Touch 45 or not? Touch this 45? No. Not touching, you use sine. Okay. Touch, you use cos. All right. Remember, here I do a bit of revision with you. Okay. Now, one more time. This one, I bring it to here. This is my 45. I bring it to here. Not touching this 45. Alright, you bring to here, WX not touching 45. So, at the cos or sine. At the, actually cos or sine, it is the same because it is 45. Alright, 45. 45 cos and 45 sine 45 and cos 45, same value. Alright. I still remember it is 0.7071 when I'm teaching at maths. Alright. You see, sine 45, 7071. Alright. Or cos 45, it is the same. Same thing. So either you use cos or sine will be the same thing. No worry. So it is WX is, I do it here. At the sine 45. At the sine 45 will give you 56.57. Unit Newton. Okay, number one. Alright, no, 2 mark. Very easy mark. Resultant force acting on the wooden block. So this resultant force will be, now you see how much is the force WX? It is 56.57. So now you imagine there is a force pulling down. There is a force 56.57 Newton pulling downward in this direction. So there is another force pulling up. This is frictional force pulling up 40. So the resultant force is big one minus a small one. Okay. So so resultant force is F resultant force, we are using R. Resultant force is 56.57 minus 40. So left 16.57 unit Newton. Okay, unit Newton. Alright, resultant force acting on the wooden block. Now calculate the acceleration. Number 3, acceleration. So acceleration, how to do? F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. The resultant force is 16.57. Alright, 16.57 is equal to ma. M is at 0.16. So your A will be okay, divide by at 0.16. Your answer gonna be 2.03. Unit is ms negative 2. So we look at the answer. At t sine 45, so you get 56.56. 5, 6 at 5. Wow. Okay, no need so many lah. Normally 2 decimal will be okay. Right? So you got this one, you got this one. So minus after minus, your answer will be 16.578. Right? So your answer, the unit is ms negative 2, not negative 1. This answer is wrong. So A is 2.03, ms negative 2. Okay? So 2 mark. 2 mark, what do you have is you must have a substitution. Formula, substitution, and answer with correct unit. Formula, substitution, and answer with correct unit. Okay? Next one. Using the concept of force, explain why the wooden block slide down in the inclined plane when the angle is 45, remain stationary when the angle is 30. So now I want to calculate this one first. I just want to calculate whether it is. So this one is at t. So at t sine 30. At t sine 30, how much? At t sine 30, it is 40, right? At t sine 30, it is 40. Yeah, how much force is pulling here? 40. How much force is pulling here? 40. So the force that pulling down here, it is same as here. This one is 40. Pulling down 40, pulling up also 40. So this one will be in equilibrium. So it will not move. But this one, it is 56 point something something, right? So this one is more than 40. So there is a resultant force acting downward. Okay? So now this is what you need to explain. Now, using the concept of force, explain why the wooden block slide down in the inclined plane. So this one might be 2 mark. Okay? So when the angle of inclination is 45 degree, when the inclination angle is 45 degree, so the component of the weight down the plane is big, right? Component of the weight down the plane, Wx, Wx, it is big. Wx is big, so when it is big, so the resultant force, okay, is big. How big it is greater than the frictional force. So when it is bigger than frictional force, so when your Wx down here is more than the frictional force, so a resultant force is produced into the direction down the plane. So a resultant force produced is down the plane. Okay, now here we talk about the one that with 30, when the angle (30°), what happened? When the inclination it is 30, the component of the weight down the plane Wx is same as the frictional force. If it is less than, it will not move. If it is same as, it will not move. But if it is moved, it will move with constant velocity. Okay, so the resultant force produced is 0, where it is equilibrium. Okay, this is what we have. What I have. We're going to see the answer here. Sudut or angle 45, Wx more than Fr. Okay, 1 mark. Mark 1, we go to check Mark 1. Angle 45, Wx is more than Fr. Angle 45, component weight down the plate, Wx is more than Fr, frictional force, 1 mark. So the resultant force is more than 0, right? Resultant force is not 0. Resultant force is produced. Yeah, produced down the plane. Okay, same. Now, when the angle is this one, so Wx is equals to component of weight down the plane is same as a frictional force. Okay, 1 mark. And then this is called equilibrium, or resultant force is equal to 0. Resultant force is 0, whereas it is equilibrium. Same thing. Right? So this one, I will get full mark here. Alright, I guess it is not that hard for you. Now, table 2 shows 4 picture frames that have the different characteristic. So, study the characteristic of the picture frame. Explain the suitability of each characteristic of the picture frame. Determine the best frame to use so that the frame can be last long while hanging on the wall. Right? Give the reason for your choice. Okay. Now, so nylon, plastic, nylon, rubber. 40, 20, 20, 40. And then aluminum frame, perspex cover, aluminum glass cover. Wooden frame, perspex cover, aluminum frame, glass cover. Normally the anchor have to be small. Alright. If the okay, we try to calculate the anchor first. So this one, if this one 40, now you bring up to here. Let's say 40 sine 40. So you bring to here have to sine 40. So the tension will be very big. Right? So if you bring to here, right? I put in a number lah, let's say. Let's say I put in a number easier for you to calculate. This is 20 Newton. Let's say this is 20 Newton. So how much is the force bring up to here? So it's 20 sine 40. Right? Not touching. Right? 20 sine 40. So this one is 20 sine 20. So how much force do we have? We calculate 20 sine 40. You find that this anchor big, it will give you a big tension. So big tension, this one will easy snap. So how much is this? 12.8. Right, let's say 13. Right, 13. So this one is 20 sine 20. So this one about 7 only. This angle about 7. Right, the tension here will not that high. Okay. Okay. So if you know, now we left 2. We left this one and this one. Wooden block, wooden frame and aluminum frame. Glass and glass. Both are glass. Nylon or plastic. Now the problem is nylon or plastic. I need to choose. So I'll choose the nylon. I choose the nylon. So M, it is the best one. M, it is the best one. So I'm going to write the answer here. I don't know whether correct or not, but we try. Characteristic. So I'm going to write this one. So the anchor of the flame must be smaller. Alright, why? Alright, reduce the tension. Reduce the tension of the rope. Okay. Now the second one, it is nylon rope. Nylon rope. Alright, so it can, because I don't know how nylon rope compared to plastic rope. What is the difference? So I simply write, so stronger and not snap easily. Okay. Next one. Aluminium frame, lighter compared to wood. Right? Aluminium is lighter. So why aluminium frame? It is lighter. Reduce the weight. And then glass cover. Glass cover. Glass pula. Glass. Glass cover. Why glass cover? So glass cover can actually the glass cover, it is used to protect the picture, right? But why not you use this one? The perspex cover. Perspex, it is not so clear. Alright. So glass cover more clear. So answer is M, and then you repeat. Alright, so repeat. I'm not going to write. You remember to write, huh? Okay. They want anchor bigger. Nylon. Aluminium. Perspex. So J. So my one is wrong. So if I wrong, I maximum get 6 marks. This is the answer. This is the answer. Wait, this one no need lah. I just that one. How Okay, I'm gonna mark here. Anchor small, wrong. Wrong, this one no mark. Nylon, okay. Type of the rope, nylon can, plastic also can, right? So why? A higher strength does not break easily. So here, aluminium, yeah. Lighter, less weight, okay. The type of cover is perspex, not glass, right? Not break. So this one wrong. So this one wrong. How many marks did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. So they want anchor bigger. Anchor bigger. Low tension. Low string tension. Anchor bigger, low tension. Just now I calculate. Bigger, then it will give you bigger tension. Smaller is give you smaller tension. I calculate for one more time. I calculate for one more time. Okay, let's say. Okay. Let's say this is 20 Newton. Right, this is tension, this is tension. Let's say this is 40. I calculate first how much it is. Right. So this is tension, this is tension. So 2T, bring to here, touch. It is sine 40. Okay. T is equals to, oh, I know where do I get wrong already. Okay. Never mind. We calculate. 20 divided by 2 divided by sine 40. 20 divided by 2 divided by sine 40. So how much is my tension? My tension will be 15.55. The tension here will be 15.55, 15.55. Okay. Now, how about if this one is 20? Now, I change to 20. Yeah. So, this one will be 2t sine 20 is equals to 20. The weight down 20. So, t will be 20 divided by 2 divided by sine 20. .92. The tension will be 2.92. Which one will give you less tension? Still this one, what? But they want anchor bigger. The answer is wrong. Low string tension. The answer is wrong. The answer is wrong. The anchor, if big anchor, it will give you more tension. Small anchor will give you small tension. So that's why I'm choosing small. You don't want this one to be too hard, too high tension, it will break easily. That's why just now. My one is not wrong. Anchor have to be small, so reduce the tension. But they said bigger, so they said low tension. The answer is wrong. Give me 1 minute. Okay. I go ask ChatGPT. Don't know, then ask. No, 20 degrees should be 29. Huh? Yeah, smaller reduce the tension. Cannot be 29. Okay, I calculate again. How? Let's say this is 20. Let's say 20. 20, this is T, this is T. Right? T sine 20 plus T sine 20. 2T sine 20 is equals to 20. Right? T is 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 divided by sine 20. 20 divided by 2 divided by sine 20. Yeah, correct. 2.92. You don't run off. Hey, you 29.2. 29.2. Your decimal. Not 20. 2. T plus T. Not 20T. 20 lost 1 0. No, this is 1T. Oh, okay. I do it slowly. See, T cos 20. Oh, I press wrong. Oh, my press. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got you. All right. 20 divided 2 divided sine 20. Okay. 20 divided by 2 divided by sine 20. Oh, 29.2. Why can How can it be bigger? Cannot be. Smaller anchor will be less tension one. Must be like that one. So this one maybe I press wrong also. Okay. So this one is 29. How about this one? Let me calculate. T 20. Okay. Wait this is W, right? W is 20. Let's say W is 20. This is T. This is T. Right. 2T sine 40 is equals to W, right? Which is 20. T is 20 divided by 2. It is 10. Divided by sine 40. 15. Smaller, huh? Cannot be there. The bigger angle. Oh, like that, the answer is not wrong. But why I asked ChatGPT also giving me the same answer. Now I pause this one. Now I ask him, W, this one, which one is the best? Smaller angle. Smaller angle is the tension, it is lesser. Cannot be leh. 20, 40, sine 40, sine 40, sine 40. Sine 20. Yeah. Let me think. Angle bigger. No. Angle have to be smaller. Cannot be bigger. Now, okay. Now, anchor, if it is bigger, why not you not like hanging like this? Why you need to have 2 string? You know what I mean? So this one is 90, even better. 90, you want the anchor bigger, or you hang like that. So this one, the tension will be very high. Same way. Let me think. No, I still stick to my answer. I don't want to use their answer. Use my answer better. Right? Small angle of picture frame. Reduce the tension. But if I calculate like that, it will give me 15 and 29. I should not calculate like that, right? Tension here, it is 29. Tension here, 15. Let me think. Through the calculation, nothing wrong, huh? What's wrong? To be honest, when this one is long, when this anchor is small, the tension will be lesser. When the how am I going to tell you? Or I calculate this way. Let's say this is 20 tension. 20 sine 40. If 20 sine 40, cannot leh, huh? The anchor have to be small. Cannot be big. Big, it will give you big tension. So I'll still stick to my answer here. Even this one, I told you this one, right? I show you this one also. This one also telling you it is a smaller angle. The smaller angle reduce the tension. bigger, it will give you the bigger tension, right? You see, 20 degree, it is lesser tension. So big, if the anchor it is big, it will give you big tension. But this one anchor big, it give you low string tension. Not correct. This one is not correct. This one is not correct. So I am going to remove this one. I use my answer. This one cut. Don't want. Use my answer. Use my answer. Ayah. How? How? I cannot that one. No. Let me think of how to do it. Oh, I know already. Okay, I bring this one away then. But a lot of work lah. I need to do a lot of things. Wait Okay. Alright. I think this one is okay lah. You follow my answer better. So this one is M. Because how? You repeat. Not break. Perspect. Not break. Perspect. Perspect, it is lighter. Glass, it is heavier. But you choose glass because I choose glass because of it is more clear. For me, I got no choice. Then I choose glass. I choose glass. No choice. I choose glass. Okay. I use my own answer. I tell you again. I use my own answer. Right. You can use your own answer lah. All right. Who knows which one is correct? Not 100%. Okay. All right. You can discuss with me. Yeah, no problem. But I don't know why 20 sine. 20. The smaller the angle, the less the tension. How do I know? Because I do many time of this kind of experiment. In school, you try to touch the string. When the anchor it is small, the rod will be soft. This rod will be soft, not that hard. If the anchor it is big, you try to touch it, it will be very hard. But through the calculation, I cannot get it. I don't know why. But leave it. Alright. Smaller anchor it is. Smaller anchor it is. Smaller tension it is correct one. You don't need to worry that one. Okay. So we try to do number 10. Alright. 10.1 shows the ship emitting ultrasonic waves to determine the depth of the sea. After while the ship detected the wave again. Okay, you shoot down and then go up. Type of the wave for the ultrasonic wave. State the type of wave for ultrasonic wave. Type of the wave. Ultra is sound wave. Sound wave it is mechanical wave. Or longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave, I guess. Explain how the ultrasonic wave are used to determine the depth of the ocean. All right, we do quite a few times of this kind of question. Not enough space. All right, I try to do it here. So explain how does ultrasonic, okay? 4 mark. So 4 mark normally very hard. Okay. Now the first point that we have is, now you need to transmit one wave down and then reflection. And then what you need to do is V is equals to 2D over T. So you need to mention. Alright, you need to mention this one. They ask you how the ultrasonic determine the depth of the ocean. Okay. Now a wave is transmitted toward the seabed. Okay. Then time taken for the transmitted wave, ultrasound wave. All right. If you want ultrasound wave, all right. If you don't know, you just put it as wave also can. So if you know, yeah, it is a ultrasonic wave. It is transmitted toward the seabed. Right. Time taken for the wave to and for is recorded. Time to go down and go up, it is recorded, right? By using V is equals to 2D over T. By using V is equals distance of the seabed can be calculated. Right? Can be calculated. So velocity of the sound, ultrasound, it is 1,500. Right? As a velocity Okay. But I got 3 points only. Wave it is transmitted toward the seabed. The time taken for to and fro it is recorded. This is what I have. Okay, we see the answer. See the answer, longitudinal wave and mechanical wave both can. So I use longitudinal wave. So this is the answer. So I put it in the answer. So ultrasonic is transmitted to the seabed. Okay, boleh. Right. So seabed reflect. Oh, I should say reflect. So the seabed reflect the ultrasonic wave to the receiver. The receiver will detect the reflected pulse, and then the time taken for it to return and receive it is recorded as T. So V is 2D over T. So these two I also got marked. Okay, I should use the word of reflect. So I should add in the reflect. So the answer is here. So I should add in this one. And this one. Either one will give me full mark. So this one all got mark. Okay. Alright. So now we continue. Now here, ultrasonic wave propagate with the speed 1,500 into the seawater, and the detector on the ship received the echo of the ultrasonic wave 0.12 after it was emitted. Calculate the depth of the seabed. Okay, C. V is equal to 2D over T. B, 1500 is equals to 2D over T. T is how long time? How long time? 0 0.12. 0 0.12. So D gonna be 1500 time 1500 time 0.12 divided by 2. So you get 90 meter. Remember, if they are giving you the time of millisecond, like 120 millisecond, so you need to convert 120 times 10 to the negative 3 second. So this one will give you 1 mark. Okay, remember, you need to do it separately. Don't directly into here. Don't. Okay, directly you might short of 1 mark. Okay. So what's the answer? Answer, it is 90. Yeah, correct. Next one is calculate the wavelength. Frequency is 25,000. All right. V is equal to 2D. Velocity is V is equal to F lambda. V is F lambda. V is 1500. F is 25,000. And then lambda. So lambda will be equivalent to 1500 divided by 25,000. Oh, very small. 6 times 10 to the negative 3. Meter. 6 times 10 to the negative 3. 0 0.06 meter. Same. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Wait. I see my 25, 30. 25, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, correct. Oh, here is wrong. My mistake. So it should be 0 0.06. My mistake. This one is my mistake. The answer is correct. My one is wrong. I pressed wrong. Okay. Alright. Alright. So next one it is D. The last one. I know many of you want to do revision. Alright, never mind. So I do until at 30 only. So the rest we try lah. We try. If you finish it and then you send it to me, and then I'll mark for you also can. Right. So the last one it is the 10.2 shows a radar system at the airport. A signal it is emitted from the radar system to determine the position of the aeroplane. So diameter must be big. Don't write number, remember. Okay. So this kind of question. So characteristic. Characteristic reason. Characteristic. Diameter of the parabolic disc is big. Okay, why? So it can transmit more signal. Okay. The next one, Type of the wave. Type of the wave, it is radar. It is using microwave, right? Microwave, microwave. So other is the best one, right? Microwave. Type of the wave is microwave, right? So why should be short wavelength? Okay. Now the distance of the signal received from the parabolic, it is same as the focal length, equal to the focal length, equal to focal length. Distance of the signal received. Same as focal length, right? So clearer signal will be received. All right, and then the last one, height of the parabolic disc, it is high. Avoid to avoid blockage. So the best answer will be R and then repeat. R and repeat. We check the answer. Yeah, R and then repeat. Okay, R and repeat. So large diameter receive more signal. Type. Okay, I screenshot this one. Where should I put? Okay, I put it to here. Okay. Now frequency is high and short wavelength will be okay. Will be the same meaning. Right? No worry one. Okay. Not block or this one avoid obstacle or blockage will be okay. So my answer is okay here. Now after you do, you see number 9 and number 10. Number 9, if you are not sure which one, when you calculate, you're not sure which one, don't do it. Teacher, this one number 4, I know. See here, I know 4 mark. I know, but this one you know how many mark? If you don't know, this one 10 mark. You can, if you get 4 mark only, then you GG, you know. But anyhow, teacher, this one I tidak pandai. This one this one I 4 mark. I only pandai write 3 only. But never mind. This question you know. This question you know. You know how many marks is this? So focus into this question. Not this question. Not this question. This one, no. So you choose the most confident one. Right? This question, you choose the most confident one. You don't simply choose one, the one that you, boleh lah, agak-agak lah, like that lah. Then you won't get the mark. Okay. So never mind. I know many of you want to prepare for your exam. So I'm going to stop here. Now we are going to continue on next Monday and Tuesday. I try to see whether I can do both or not. If I can do both, then I do both. All right. So I'm going to stop here. I'll see you again. All right. All the best in your SPM. Good luck. All the best. All the best.